In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Miro, a fantastic tool for visual collaboration and innovation. Whether you're working on creative projects or need a comprehensive platform for team brainstorming, Miro provides a multitude of options to enhance your workflow. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting started and making the most of Miro's powerful features. First, let's begin by visiting the Miro sign-in page. Head over to your browser and type in the Miro website URL. Once there, you'll notice different sign-in options. For convenience and a seamless experience, click on Continue with Email if that's your preferred method. This will direct you to a page where you can enter your credentials if you're already registered or create a new account if you're new to Miro. Now that you're logged into Miro, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can see a variety of options, including your existing boards. Click on one of these existing boards to open it. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily initiate a new board from the dashboard. This board is where all the action happens. It's your blank canvas for creativity and organization. Moving on, to enhance your board with visual elements, locate the toolbar on the left side and click on Shapes. A submenu will open, revealing not just plain shapes, but a plethora of icons from different companies. This includes AWS, UML, Azure, Salesforce, and Cisco icons, offering a great variety to enrich your visual workspace, especially if you have a premium account. For those with a keen eye for visual aesthetics, you might also be interested in using stickers and images. Click on the stickers icon in the toolbar, then scroll down through the options. Here you can explore sources like Icon Finder and Unsplash right within the Miro marketplace for free. Downloading these will provide you with a wider array of visual elements that you can seamlessly incorporate into your boards. Once you've found the icon or sticker style that aligns with your project, selecting the desired icon style is straightforward. Simply click on your chosen icon style and it will be ready for use. With the preferred icon style at your disposal, click and drag the icon onto your board. This intuitive drag and drop feature makes customizing your board a breeze, allowing you to arrange and align elements precisely how you want them. And there you have it, a foundational guide to navigating and utilizing Miro to its fullest. With a bit of exploring and creativity, Miro can become an indispensable tool in your workflow, transforming how you visualize and collaborate. Make sure to explore further and try different features to discover what works best for you and your team. Happy creating on Miro!